Hello friends, the topic for discussion would be, is China a threat to India? You have 10 minutes with you to discuss this topic and your time starts now.
Hi friends, I am Hemant. I would like to say today now our topic is China a threat to India? Yeah, China is a threat to India. We can say we can say in some point of view, and we cannot say in some point of view. While comparing to this business education, China is improving its technology day by day. So we can say that while India is not, India is a very low. India is somewhat low in the technology side. So China is having technology as well as education. So they are getting employment. They are employed and they are improving their technology day to day. So India also they should learn something about from China, and it should be becoming it should remove the threat, and it should greater to achieve that threat.
Yeah, that could be the better one. But in Asia, China and India are the biggest countries. China is dominating India in Asia. In defense, China has very good defense, but it's supporting Pakistan and Bangladesh. These countries anti to India. This will affect our relations.
Yeah, you said correct, my dear friend. China being a good supporter for Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and anti to this India, so it is indirectly affecting Indian development. So this can be a better. This can be a threat. But whereas when it comes to the position of China, it is higher than the India. So we can learn from China, and we can be we have to be curious to be like China.
And population is also becoming a big threat for India now, because it is been estimated that around by 2015 India will cross the Chinese population. Yeah. So we can see that how China is reducing their population. We can learn from China a lot. Then progress side also, because in China they are working for 6 hours and 2 hours for the country, and India they are working 8 hours for themselves. So there are a lot of fields in which we can learn from China a lot, and it's a threat also, because in military point of view, in this security point of view, India is far behind.
But and it used to be. Now they are well defensive. They are importing the defense aircraft from the US, and they are preparing well for the war. Be ready.
That's what exactly I want to say. Because at this point of view, I mean, there has been lots of summits between India and the rest of the country. So if India and China come together on the Asian platform, so they can, I mean, India can learn a lot and develop itself at the same time. But at the same time, we should forget about the war which has already been in our history. So according to that, India should be well equipped with the military sources and each and everything, and be prepared actually for anything wrong which can happen.
That could be a better option to come up by the
summit. As a market point of view, the Indian customer should more attracted over the Chinese, or we can say that Chinese product, because if we go in a market and just look at that it is made in China, then we should trust more than Indian technology on that Chinese technology. We can say that it is threat for India for a technologically, because Indian customer should think that if it is from China made, then it is okay. I have experienced that one of my friends goes to China and buy a very branded pen from there, and show to everyone that look at this pen, I buy it from China. But when someone look at that pen very we can say that
defective.
Yeah, then the right is there that made in India. Yeah. Then he is discouraged. But he was very happy that he go to China and buy a paint from there. That's why we can say that Indian people should not.
Well, in the technology side, if you consider that in India, our people are going to US and they are working in their companies and they are improving their technology. If they are in India, if they improve the technology, definitely we can overcome the threat over China.
I agree with you.
Also, in some fields, India is far more behind than China. Suppose take IT industry and BPO industry, and also in some fields, hardware technology. China is very good.
Even in electronics department also, it's very advanced in China. So we can develop some research centers in India so that we can compete with
China at the same time. Technology.
Technology.
We
And
can be one of the leading in the technology side in the worldwide countries.
Technology, if technology improves, if professionals are working here in India,
Yeah.
but professionals, they are seeing that to earn more money and they are going to other countries and they are seeing of their life. So yeah, if they improve Indian technology, definitely we can overcome that threat.
There are no opportunities in India, so they are opting for the US. They are going
It's
searching
not
for
like
the.
that. Actually, I don't feel that there's no opportunity. I mean, there's a lack of opportunity in India. You just go to any place. We have got lots of IT sectors. Just see our own
It's
Hyderabad
now.
and Bangalore.
Past 10 years, where's the IT sector? It was
Yeah,
nowhere.
that's true. That's true. But still, we are on that track. So
It will take time.
Yes, in some sectors we
It will
can
take
say
time.
that China should have threat from India, because before 2 months I have read the news in the newspaper that they required the 2000 medical peoples from the India. They should trust more on Indian people.
In China, medical college is there. They are taking most of the Indians are going and joining in the Chinese medical colleges, and they are doing their course over there.
Yeah, they write that they want 2000 doctors from Indian only. They want just Indian doctors.
And also
only,
one
that
rule
they
is
have-
there.
They should have more trust on Indian. That we can say that they also have threats from ourselves, from some areas also.
Yeah,
Indians are
and
also
also
the hard
and also
working.
one rule is there. Whenever any people gone to China for medical, whenever they came to India, they have to write one exam.
exactly.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
it
we have
shows
read
that
one
where
It shows
exactly
that-
they stand. According
That
to
shows
the
that
Indian side-
China some medical
I mean,
education
there's
is
some
not
drawback.
that much good.
Yeah, there's
So
some drawback.
better one be the summit up by the two countries has to be summit up, and by each and the employee of the country should work 2 hours and certain time for he has to spend certain time for country and certain time for himself.
Yeah.
That is the only way
Suppose
we
they-
can develop India or China at the same time, and we can
Yeah,
be the
suppose
leading.
like in the field of sports, in last Olympics, Athens Olympics, China stood in the third place.
They have a good infrastructure.
Yeah,
good
third place.
infrastructure, that's why they are
That's
efforting.
what I am asking. India is
And-
lagging behind the infrastructure.
The-
They don't get
the-
proper facilities.
They are asking
Yeah,
Indian
I know
doctors
that.
why, because if they afford from other countries, they will charge more. Indian software person is going to some software country in other countries. They means he is ready to work for small pay scale also. But other countries fellows, other country person who is a professional, he won't work. So every countries in the world want that Indian person should work in their field, because
Indians are
they
known
can,
for
yeah.
No, not for that. They are
The
not.
talent is there. I'm ready with you. I'm
Yeah,
agree with
exactly.
you. Talent is there. The person, those who have studied in US and London in universities, they are also having talent. But the thing is that Indians are ready for the low pay scales.
No, it is not like
They
that.
are managing.
Indians
That's why they
ready
are.
for low pay, because they should think that the Indians are more dedicated towards their works.
Yeah,
Yeah, I agree.
It's depend upon how you take and how I take.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes,
if you take the example, US having some companies. That US companies, they are keeping in India their branches.
Okay.
Suppose in Bangalore, like that, if we consider, they are keeping their branch. Like that, if China also, if the China also develop some companies here, then we can know their technology and we can able to remove the threats.
But the
And
population of Chinese is more. First, they should see the employment is there in the country. First, they
Yeah, and
Mainly in China, automobile technology and hardware technology is very good all over the world than compared to. It's very nice. Automobile, Hyundai, and also there.
Yeah, it is
Automobile.
famous for automobiles.
Locomotives.
Yeah.
Indians are competing in the
This
population.
world famous automobile companies
With
are
China,
located
I
from
think.
Chennai.
They are
Yes,
competing in
most of the
China.
in China only.
Also are
Yeah,
exported
yeah.
from China.
Yeah, they're trying to overcome this population with China.
Yes,
Yeah.
Exactly.
what we say.
They
Suppose
changed their
they-
plan, taking a
suppose-
plan to reduce, to stop the population.
Yeah, okay, that's great. Time is up. I would like each one of you to sum up the discussion that you had.
So I would like to conclude the topic by saying that the India and China has to sum it up, and each and employee of the company or organization or country has to spend certain time for country and other time for himself.
Well, according to me, I think so. India should always be prepared for the defensive supports and all, and then at the same time, it can take help from China. I mean, both the countries should come together on the Asian world map, and then they should work together for their own betterment.
Yeah, they should India and China, they should have collaboration with each other, and they should collaborate to each other to improve their technologies and improve as well as in the world technologies.
India should learn more from the Chinese in terms of hardworking technology. but Indians are not behind the Chinese.
If these our discussion is very good. If these two countries are cooperate each other, these two countries will become the richest and the powerful countries in the world.
And they will become a big threat for US also, because it is a governing in whole world. So if they become they will become submit and they will become one, then I think US will also think before giving any this one, like, and US is supporting Pakistan a lot, so that India should have some disadvantages. This should not be there, and China is also supporting Pakistan, because India should not have progress a lot. India should not progress. So India should think of the defensive side also, and same time it should learn from the other countries, means China, how it is developing, and population control should be there in India.
Yes, China is most populated country in India, and they are using their population, they are utilizing their population like that. If India should utilize their population as a right way, then we can say that both the countries should be good.
Yeah, okay friends.
Right, thank you.